Hey everyone, Crafts of Crashly here. I have a Diamond Art Club sneak peek for you. This beauty is called Crystal Skull by Theresa, Donahue, McManus. This is 65 centimeters by 78.9 centimeters, and it is a square drill kit. It is so colorful. It's a decent sized canvas too. So we have our info on the side, our how-tos on the back. And this is our updated box here. Let's go ahead and get into it. I did take off the plastic on the bottom where you also have a thumbnail down there. So I'm gonna open it up here. And as you can see, this just slides right out. There we go. And I'm gonna set the box over here. Maybe, oh, stay, don't fall. Okay, it didn't fall. We're good. All right, we have our canvas in the sleeve here. Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. All right, we have our toolkit and our stickers for our symbols. There we go. All right, so we have our standard toolkit, everything you need to complete the kit with our baggies, our tray, our twist and pick pen. And here is our thank you card here. And we just twist the diamond there, or pinch it, I should say. Open it on up. On the inside, we have our sticker sheet, our treasure quest card. And here is the tips and tricks. We have QR codes for their Facebook group, Kit Contents. Here we go. Here is the treasure quest card. So these are really cool. This is another form of collection that you can create. You can also save up the different rarities to redeem for things like gift cards or even a custom diamond painting. So this particular one, if you flip it over, it tells you the rarity. So this one, as you can see, is bronze. Now it is random for every kit. So just because you get this kit doesn't mean you'll get bronze. But yeah, so you just redeem them by scratching these off. On the front, you just, you can see the picture and you can see the name, the artist, and the size, things like that. This is a really neat looking card. I always like the way the image looks on it. All right, so here is our schematic or sticker sheet. So we have another thumbnail of it. Let me see if I could just zoom in. That might be a little easier. Here we go. We have our picture here. Let's open her up here. There we go. All right, so we have our symbols here. Oh, that's just their logo, yeah. We have our different symbols. So it looks like it is 94 different colors. So we have we have 3 ABs and 2 fairy dusts. So if it has Z in front of there, it's the fairy dust. 94 colors. Can you believe that? That is crazy. And those are our different symbols. Now these are individual stickers, as you can see here. So you can use those to put on your container when you kit up your project. And this is also a sticker. So you could put that like on your drills, and you have your start date, which is another sticker. So yeah, it says diamond colors right here, 94. Shape is square, canvas size, and the skew. All right, let's go ahead and open up the canvas. Zoom you back out here. Flip it over. So they had a lot of really good releases this week. There's a few I'm going after. Take this out. There we go. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is massive. Here we go. Oh wow. Okay, so we're opening it up upside down. I'm gonna do it sideways first. How about that? Oh my gosh! Holy confetti! Okay, so here's our drills. We will go through those one by one, all 94 colors. But oh my gosh, look at this! Okay, we're going to go ahead and flip this over here. I'm going to roll it the opposite way. There is a lot of confetti in this, but I don't mind confetti too much. Tell me in the comments, do you like confetti? Despise it? I think I kind of like an in-between maybe. Yeah, but yeah, look at all of this. This is stunning though, those colors. There's so many elements to this. So let me just give you a close-up. This is like towards the bottom. So lots and lots of color changing. Like even in the teeth. Lots of pinks and greens. Oh my goodness. This is very, very pretty though. Okay, let's go ahead and go through the drills, and we're going to kind of see where the special drills will go. Although if I'm a guessing person, I'm assuming they're going to be sprinkled all over, but we can definitely check. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the drills here. This part does get a little noisy. There we go. Oh, got a little one there. Get out of the bag. There we go. All right. So let's start out with this little guy here so we don't miss him. So zoom in. You can see all the different colors here. Look at this. It's all over the place. Okay, so we have 367 here. We have 319 and 945. So set those off to the side. Let's start with the big bags here. Okay. Here we go. All right, so we have 677. We have 311. We have 3727. 733. 3842. 3834. 153. This one got twisted. All right. We have 823. Here is a fairy dust. It's like a pale blue. So it's Z794. Do you see that glitter coating there? Then we have 3770 and 3803, 3706. Then we have 304, 316, 6010. We have 3859, 602. Oh, 2 bags of 602. 600, 3823. All right, let's take this strand over here. See if I can unravel the whole thing here. There we go. Okay. All right, so we have 3 giant bags of 3689, like a really pretty light pink color. Then we have 2 3865s, the white. Ooh, look at this. Here is our first AB. So this is like a dark pink color. AB603. Then we have 3722. So we have 2 bags of 963. Looks like 3 giant bags of 604. We have 915. 951. Oh, sorry, 2 bags of 951. 3756, 819, 754, 601, and 3823. All right. Next up. Oh, there we go. We have 3855, 6020. See if we can keep these from twisting. There we go. All right. Then we have 435, 3858, 3078, 164, and here's another fairy dust, Z666. I don't know if I've seen that. It's like a bright red. Pretty. 3726, 778, 830, 3841, 321, 734, 809, 760, 3801, 3705, 3731, 154, and 3733. All right, well, we got 2 more strands. Okay. We have 3608, 803, 772, 469, 563, 6030, 3740, 991, 3802, 958, 936, 758, 3041, 550, 829, 471, 3781, 3778, 834, 954. Okay, I think this is our last strand here. All right, so we have 741, 6014, 943, 935 581 729 3765 451 436 452. Here's another AB 972 720 831 740 826 310. There's a little bit of 310. Look at that. Another AB 470, dark purple or dark dark green. That's what I meant. 3821 973 3328. All right. So I'm going to check out where the special drills are. I will be right back. Okay, so first up we have the green AB. The AB, I think it's, let me see, yeah, 4470 is this triangle symbol. And so I really did see that throughout the greenery here. So like the leaves off the flowers and such. That's where that one is. Okay, and the 2 packs, the pink color, I call this the is symbol because it looks like a sideways is word, is, I don't know. So that one really is sprinkled all over. Like you see here in this rose, we see the symbol, where did it go? Okay, so right here in this dark area, so all around the rose, this other rose on the other side here has a bunch throughout as well. Basically anywhere where you see the pink, there is a touch of that AB in there. Then the next one is the yellow heart AB. And same kind of thing. I see it in this flower here. So just kind of sprinkled throughout the flower. We have the red AB, same thing. In the middle of this flower is the ends throughout down here through these flowers. So these flowers are gonna be banging. Let me see if I can find where the fairy dust drill goes. It's that blue one. Okay, so the fairy dust symbol is, I call that one like a target. Like that's what it makes me think of, like a little target. And I see that kind of like randomly, like down here you see a touch of the blue. Then if we look here at this blue flower, I believe that's where I saw it. Yeah, so right in the middle of this blue flower, we have some in this flower here. So basically the flowers in this kit are like gonna be banging, like they're crazy. Oh, here's a bunch of the NABs too throughout this eye. So yeah, they really are sprinkled all over. I'm gonna give you a close-up real quick so you can kind of see. Here we go. The different parts of the confetti. This is the top right of it. And if you want this part of the video slowed down, feel free to change your speed of the video if I am going too fast for you to be able to see. But the rendering on this is fabulous. It is beautiful. So if you're the type that gets bored with doing the same color over and over again, this has a big variety of different bold colors, I would say. So yeah, this is going to be available tomorrow on Saturday. Go ahead and follow their Facebook or their Facebook group, the VIP group. And if you haven't purchased before, check out the description of this video. It has a link, my affiliate link, so I get a small kickback and you get a discount if it's your first time purchasing. So check that out. But yeah, that's all I had. If you're new, please hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, that's it. So until next time, everyone, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you plan on getting this kit. All right, until next time, everyone. Bye!